Welcome to 304 Beaver Brook Drive. This neat 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with hardwood floors inside, covered front porch, and backyard with storage shed. It's located in the Hollywood Hills neighborhood in the northern area of Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-77. Just a quick commute to downtown and northeast Columbia as well. You can see out front you have a nice sized front yard. There is a large driveway on the right side of the home, 2 cars wide, so ample parking space. Part of it even extends up beside the right part of the house. You can see the way to the backyard there, but we'll go in through the front concrete walkway leading around to the front porch and door. So small covered front porch here, and then as you enter the home into the living room off the entry, see there are real hardwood floors starting here. They continue on down the hall into the bedrooms as well. So you have a nice sized room here off the entry. A few windows looking out to the front of the house. There's a closet here off the front door as well, a coat closet. Then this passes on through into the kitchen. You have tile flooring in the kitchen, ceramic tile. There's sort of an eat-in dining area here, and then large open kitchen as well. You have dark countertops, natural wood cabinets, and black appliances. There is a refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric range as well. And also some track lighting and a window over the sink overlooking the backyard. And then you have a couple of doors to the outside of the home. There's no true back door that faces the back of the house, but you do have one door here on the side, and then another one in the den area that's off here. So you go down a bit of a step here into the den in the back of the home. There's a laundry closet here on your right side with full-size washer and dryer connections. There's some cabinetry above there as well. On the opposite wall here you have a full bathroom, also with tile flooring. There's a single vanity mirror on the wall. And then there's a window over the sink. Also a tub and shower tiled in this bathroom. So you have laminate hardwood flooring in here. Nice large room with the ceiling fan, crown molding, as well as a brick fireplace along the back wall. And we'll take this second door to the side of the house to access the backyard. So out back you see there's a storage shed there as well. And then you have partially fenced backyard there. I believe there's one area where some fencing is missing as of right now, but the yard is fenced for the most part, and it wraps around to the other side of the house as well. So a nice sized backyard. And then we'll go back in and take a look at the bedrooms and the additional bathroom off the hall. So you go back through the den and kitchen and then on down the hallway here. So there's a bit of a small closet here, just where the air handler I believe is, but there's some space above for some storage. And you do have 3 bedrooms. I believe all 3 of these do have ceiling fans. This is the first of 3. 2 of them face the front of the home, including this one. You see the closet here on the right side. Excuse me, left side, if you're facing into the room. Then you have another small linen closet here right next to the second full bathroom, which also has tile flooring. Has a single vanity and mirror above, and then as well as a tiled shower and tub with a window looking out towards the backyard. Second bedroom facing the back and side of the home. And you can see those hardwood floors continue nearly throughout. Standard size closet there. And then right across the hall, last but not least, is our third and final bedroom. Also with the ceiling fan, and then has roughly the same size closet as the bedroom that's directly across the hall. So again, the address here is 304 Beaver Brook Rd in North Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.